Hi, hola, привет. Today is my first attempt in making sushi. So I'm gonna make hand rolls with smoked salmon, crab, avocado, and cucumber. Okay, we're adding sushi rice, 1.5 of a cup. That's 1.5 cup of sushi rice that we're adding into a strainer. And we're gonna give this a rinse twice, just so you stop getting white clouds. After washing your rice, you add 2 cups of water. Okay. We're gonna add a dash of salt. I'm gonna flavor my rice with some Nor chicken flavor bouillon. My stove on low and cover it. In order to make our rice sticky, we're going to use 1/4 cup of white vinegar, teaspoon of salt. The purpose of the rice vinegar, water, and salt is just to make this rice sticky. You can go ahead and use cutting motions in order to distribute it all the way down to the bottom. And of course, you're still going to want to go ahead and give it a nice stir. Bring it in. And see how it's starting to stick onto everything? So now I'm going to go ahead and roll out my Sushi Nori roasted seaweed. We're gonna get our stretch tight and pull it all the way down. And this is in order to cover up our bamboo and form our sushi. Okay, looks good to me. I'll just use the other side since this one has like a fold overlaps. And flip it over. I'll use this side. On the side for your hands, I put distilled water and vinegar for your hands not to be sticky when you apply the rice onto the seaweed. Take 3. Okay. We're going back to the full roll of sushi. Wetting our hands. Grabbing a palmful of rice, okay, palmful. Distributing it evenly all the way down towards you. Spread it. Don't push too hard because then it's going to be hard to spread. Adding until it's great. I don't know what to do with this. I'll still use it. It's still clean. Oh goodness. Push, push. Push, push, push. Okay. From now on, I might make videos of me attempting to do stuff, so when I mess up, voila. Could be a what could go wrong video. Remember how I said we were only going to use half of the rice? I was kidding. We're going to use all of it. Oh, yes. Distilled water and rice vinegar with salt and sugar. Ah! Gotta mix it. Okay. Quickly mix. Chop. Stir. Making a mess, but I'm trying to like hurry at this point. I'm sure once you get the hang of this, this is supposed to be super easy. I mean, I can say that about a lot of things that I've tried to make before, and it's usually the second time around where I'm like, I got it. Okay. I'm just adding to the empty spots. All right, and this time I'm going to put the fish inside. We're going to make hand rolls. How about that? Since cutting wasn't my thing, it just kept falling apart. Now I just want to see if maybe it's the type of fish that I'm using. I'm sure it's all my fault, but I'll figure that out in the long run. Okay, cucumbers. And our avocado. Rinse my hands in order to roll this. Okay. I'm gonna grab it. Turn, turn, turn. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Pinch. Turn again. Pinch. Turn again. Pinch. That's one big hand roll. Okay, here's the tricky part. It's cutting it. I think I have it, and then I try to cut it, and then I figure out I don't have it. Oh, looks pretty seamless. So I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay. Oh my goodness, I think I got it. Woohoo! Third time's a charm. We did it, guys. We did it. Beautiful. Except for that one. That one's a little special, but we'll just, you're not gonna see what I'm doing. Just dip that in the sauce. Oh yeah. We did it. High five. There's some pretty thick rolls, so I'll go ahead and give it an extra cut. Aha! We got it. Oh, I also took one of these out. It didn't come out pretty. Because I squeezed too hard?